Let me show you how you can disable your line chart like this. The first thing to do is to introduce checkbox. Go to Developer ribbon, Control, Insert, Form Control checkbox. Place the checkbox somewhere at the bottom of the table. Right-click on the checkbox, edit text, and change the text to Math. After that, right-click on the checkbox again, Format Control. Under the Control tabs, click on Cell Links and set it to $F $23 and click on OK. Now repeat the same checkbox procedure for the rest of the subjects. Now, whenever I put a check on the checkbox, the status of the checkbox gets reflected on its cell like that. Now go ahead and change the color of the font in that cell to white. Now to create a prep table, copy the student name and paste it on cell E25. On cell F25, you're going to write an if statement. If F $23 is equal to true, you're going to display the value of F2. If not, you're going to display blank. After that, copy the formula right across and all the way down to the very last row of the prep table. And finally, to insert the line chart, Ctrl A on your prep table and then insert chart line chart.